Shalini here and you're most welcome on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing about this foundation. This is actually a Maybelline Superstay 24 hour full coverage foundation. It's actually a new launch by them, so yeah. Getting started with this video, I want to give a shout out to Afsana Ansari. Thank you for so much of a love and support you guys are showing me, and I love you a lot. One thing that I really want to mention to you guys, because you guys get literally crazy like which shade I'm wearing, though I used to mention it in the description box below, but let me tell you that I'm wearing a Sugar Plum R matte lipstick in the shade 01 Cherry Jane. This is one of very different formula Sugar has. So this is not same as Sugar Smudge Mint not liquid lipstick. This is a matte, Hella matte, and that is also a matte, but it is in a liquid texture, and this is something in this sort of bullet. So yeah, this is the shade which I'm wearing on my lips right now. So might be you will hear the noises of the children playing outside. I mean, they are playing. I mean, why the hell you need to play at the night? Everyone love Maybelline Fit Me. Rather, they do not have a lot of shades in India. Then also people used to love it. So yeah, it says Fit Me, but I don't know why India is not Fit Me. As you can see, it is in the glass. Obviously, it has the same packaging the way the Fit Me was having it, but it include a pump, so it was like yay. If I talk about the shades regarding this foundation, India has only 9 freaking shades, and this collection do have 27 to 24 shades available. I have got the shade 320 Honey. So it retail costs rupees 750, and we get 30 ml of a product here with a 3 years of lifeline with this product. Let's move on to the claim, what the products do claim about. So it says that it's a full coverage foundation, long lasting wear, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant, oil free, do not clog pores, dermatologically tested. So if I talk about the texture of this foundation, it is not in a thick texture, it is not somewhat Maybelline has, I mean the Maybelline Fit Me has a little bit in a runny texture. So if I talk about the finish and the coverage of this foundation, it is a full on high coverage foundation, baby. You will see how good that looks when it just applies onto my skin. Coverage foundation, it's do not clog your pores, do fade and transfer very easily, but it's a water resistant foundation, or you can say it's a waterproof foundation. You are more in a oily and combination skin, this will work very good. Even a dry skin can also have this foundation, but you have to just apply a good layer of hydration beneath your makeup. So I have used 2 tools while using this foundation. I have used one side beauty blender, and the second side one of my favorite pack flat Kabuki foundation brush. Both of them give that same sort of coverage. Beauty blender, it works good, I mean provide a nice good coverage. Though I need a little much product with the beauty blender, you know, it is just a sort of method that beauty blender will absorb a little foundation. So yeah, I have used 1.5 pump with the beauty sponge, and with the brush I have used 1 pump, and everything looks perfectly. Nose like bristles marks on my face, and they provided a very nice coverage, while I feel like they provided the same sort of finish. So yeah, these both can work. So now I will let you know a little bit of a comparison between the 3 different foundation with the 3 different kind of a texture, but exactly a matte kind of a texture. So the first foundation is this one. This is obviously Superstay Matte 24 Hour Foundation. I have got in the shade 320 Honey. This foundation is mainly in just between, not runny texture as well as not thick. So it is just in between. Bit of a golden undertone to it. Maybelline Fit Me this is in the shade Warm Honey again 322, and this has a pink neutral undertone, which is way more different from this Warm Honey by Maybelline Fit Me, and you can see the difference between the 2 shades. This is a LA color, truly matte long wear foundation, and it is in the shade Warm Caramel. Obviously it do have a little bit of a deep golden undertone to it, but it has a very different kind of a texture. It little bit, not little bit, it is in a thick texture. So as you can see that I have done the swatches on my hand. I just went to my sink and I just try to wash it, but I can see that the foundation, the 3 foundation wasn't moving at all. In 24 Hour Super Stay foundation and the LA Color foundation really do exist in the same kind of finish. Maybelline 24 Hour foundation do not get dry out so quickly as LA Color one. So I need to have soap, and I just went with it, then it's totally get removed perfectly. So now I'm gonna show you the demo which I have done. Apply this foundation for I think approx 4 to 5 hours. So I have applied this foundation at 12 p.m. This foundation works perfectly, like blends perfectly, do not gets into your fine lines. Having a lot of fine lines, just try to apply a little on that specific area. Powders, concealers, everything went perfectly. After 2 hours, I have done a check in with this foundation. Like I can see a little bit of a oil onto my nose, just a teeny pinny kind of a oil onto my nose, but it was not something which was heavy. Especially on the nose, my T-zone was like my chin, my cheek and my forehead was totally okay. Everything outer is perfect. Though after when I have done a checking at I think 4 to 5 p.m. in the evening, it was way shinier. I mean, my nose was shining like a disco ball. I don't know, obviously I have a combination skin. My T-zone will be oily. I was having a little bit of a snacks, so थोड़ा बहुत foundation यहाँ और थोड़ा mouth के किनारे हिल गया था. It will obviously. So being as a combination skin, my outer perimeter tends out to be normal or in a dry situation. But this foundation being as a matte, it do not dry my outer perimeter at all. It's my turn to put my own thought and review about this foundation. So let's begin. As you know that this foundation retail for 750 rupees. We get a 30 ml of bottle right here. And they also have included a pump which was A+, and I really love this. But Maybelline Fit Me is also in a 30 ml of 525. I think they have changed the formula as well as they have included the pump, so might be that would be the reason of increasing the price. So as I have got the shade 320, which is Honey, I have faced a lot of problem while getting my shade. I have watched a lot of tutorials, the reviews, the swatches and everything. So at last I decided that I will go with a 320, and I think I have done pretty good job with that. I mean, the last shade was Warm Sun and it is way more in a deep kind of a tone. Because I wasn't so much confirm about getting this shade, because sometimes I feel like it's a honey, so it will include a pink undertone, might be a neutral undertone, might be. So that was a good choice. I got a honey. It is a matte foundation. To transfer the way it's set with this foundations perfectly stay. If you are a oily skin and if you have a problematic obviously your area, so it will turn out to be oily after 4 hours, because I have faced after 4 hours lot of shining appearance on my nose. Rather than that, everything was okay without having any problem. I will highly recommend if you are having any sort of skin type. I mean, it will be perfect for a dry skin type, it will perfect for oily combination and a sensitive skin type, because it's dermatologically tested, so you can roll on with it, right, without having any problem. The color match is perfect for me. It's honey and it has a little bit of a golden undertone which works perfectly for my skin tone. I do not feel like my face is a little bit whiter and my body is way more darker, so it's literally perfectly matches to my skin tone. I hope you have really loved and enjoyed. Make sure you don't forget to hit like, subscribe, leave the comment down in the comment box below whatever you want to say. So whether you have tried this foundation and how does that foundation work for you, let me know in the comment box below. So I will see you in the next video. Till then,